argumentative way of da'wah in Islam. I found out that some people condemn it. So I like the way you do your da'wah, and it's very beneficial to the society as well. But I didn't find a proof from the hadith or Quran to back up my point. Salaam alaikum.
Sisters asked a question that some people do not agree with the arguments and debating side of dawah. She likes it a lot. Can I give proof from the Quran? The Quran says in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 125, Udu ila sabili rabbika bhikma wal ma'azat al hasna wajadun billati hasan. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that are best and most gracious. So arguing is one type of dawah, but argue in the ways that are best and most gracious. You should do it with hikmah and with husna, with beautiful preaching. There are different styles of dawah, some with love, some you have to be tough, some you have to use debating style like Sheikh Deedat. There are different styles. One of the style is argumented, which is mentioned in Surah Nahl, chapter 16, verse number 125, but that should be done with hikmah and with husna. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you very much. Please, can we take